Windows 11 ships with 3 settings switched the slow way. Change these 3 and your PC feels noticeably snappier. I'll do all 3 with you right now. First, transparency effects. The blur behind your menus costs you frames. Click the transparency effects switch to turn it off. Next, animation effects. This is the one that makes Windows feel slow. Click animation effects to turn it off. Last one, and it's the opposite, storage since we want on, so Windows clears out junk files for you. Click storage since to turn it on. That's all 3, transparency and animations off, storage sense on. Menu snap open instantly, and Windows keeps its own disk clean. If this helped, follow for a new Windows tip every single day.